Today I'm going to teach you something terrible, something that will absolutely destroy your art. And the best part, you can do it every single day and somehow get worse. Welcome to How to Become Worse at Drawing While Practicing Every Day. Now, let me get the boring part out of the way. If you want to get better at drawing, you have to practice. Yeah, groundbreaking. But here's the problem. What if I told you that practice itself isn't what makes you better? Because you can practice for 5 hours a day, every day, for years, and still barely improve. So, why? Well, the easiest way to get worse while practicing is to keep repeating the exact same mistakes. And this happens way more than people realize. You draw something, it looks wrong. You notice it looks wrong, and then you draw it again. Same way, same mistake. Again and again, and eventually your brain stops treating it like a mistake. It just becomes how you draw. So now we have a problem. If repeating mistakes makes you better at the wrong thing, how are you supposed to know which mistakes you're actually making? And this is where things get interesting. Because most artists don't look at their drawing and think, yes, my perspective is incorrect by approximately 12 degrees. No, we usually just look at it and go, something is wrong. That's it, something. But if you can't identify the problem, how are you supposed to fix it? And that's why the next way to become worse at drawing is incredibly effective. Never question your first attempt. You draw something, you decide it looks good enough, and you move on. Because the moment you start asking, what looks wrong here, you're forced to actually examine your drawing. And that means you might discover something uncomfortable. Like, maybe the pose is stiff, maybe the head is too big, maybe the perspective makes absolutely no sense. Maybe your character looks like they've just seen a ghost. And once you notice it, you have to fix it. But here's the catch. Even if you learn to notice your mistakes, there's still one more way to become worse while practicing every day. And honestly, copy everything. See an artist you love? Copy them. See another artist? Copy them. Like this particular one Instagram who I don't know. Follow me. Find a new anime? Copy the characters. Find another manga? Copy that too. And eventually, your drawings might get really good at looking like everyone except you. Because copying teaches you how another artist solved a problem. It doesn't automatically teach you how you should solve it. And that raises one final question. If practicing mistakes makes you better at the wrong thing, if failing to examine your drawings keeps those mistakes alive, and copying everyone else can keep you from developing your own decisions, then what actually makes you better? Well, funny enough, you don't actually have to improve. You just have to look like you're improving. And that is how you become a better artist without actually improving. Yeah, that sounds stupid, which is exactly why we're talking about it next. So congratulations, you now know exactly how to become worse at drawing while practicing every single day. And if you're ready to learn how to become a better artist without actually improving, I'll see you in the next video. How to become a better artist without actually improving.